All right, let's talk about how to edit, duplicate, change dates, void orders, things along that line. So first let's edit an order. And let me first say that you don't really want to do this very often. There are a lot of reasons for this, but one of them is that every time you touch the order, you're taking on a certain amount of liability because you or your employees can screw it up. A few of the other major reasons include the system's really designed to compound efficiencies. So for example, as soon as you verify the order, it's doing all the calculations for your raw supplies and creating POs. So if you verify an order and then the customer calls and wants you to change it, and you feel bad for them because you want them to be able to, you have to realize that you may have already ordered materials. So you can do it, but do it with a lot of caution. So let's navigate to an order. Okay, so this order is in the ordered status, so it's really easy for you to just change it. You would change it just like your customer would. Also note that you can do discounts at the line item just by clicking on them. So let's move it to a different status. Let's say that it's already in progress, and you'll see that those edits stay and the prices show that we've modified them. So it's really just as simple as that to modify an order. Again, do it only when you have to. I would always encourage the customer to go in and make the modifications themselves. All right, let's talk about how to duplicate an order. Let's say this order is for a fourplex that you're going to be doing a lot of over the years. You can see on the bottom left here, there's a duplicate this order button. Now here's a good example. In this case, this company was over their order limit that I've set. So what it did is it duplicated and it told me that it did so, but then it just saved it as a bid. So here it is. It told me that it's a copy of order, and I can just leave that there or give it a new name. Probably you want a new number. And I can go ahead and do what I want with it from there. Pretty simple. All right, how do we change delivery dates? Say we're running behind or this customer doesn't need this until later. All you have to do is come in here, click on the date, give it a new date, and save it. Let's say they ordered this and it was a mistake. They call you right up. It's not verified yet and they just want to get rid of it forever. Just go ahead and void it. Voided orders somewhat disappear, but you can still find them. So they're completely out of the way. They don't show up anywhere except on certain reports where you want to find them.